Elite semi-final second leg. They were already kicking off for the second time of the Chevrolet.
Yes, goal! Aye! No offside there.
Rather promptly.
No offside.
Those the same percentages. The only man who is, that's Brendan Peterson.
Come on, boys.
Not for some.
Aye.
Accurate pass, but
I wake up about to put what's in that way.
Oh! Passa bene!
chooses to go on the line against
Passa bene!
and Skukuni United going down alone to the Montfort Golden Arrows in the same month as Mamelodi Sundowns seem to get on the front as well. Here is Police to Esquivel. His option is Lucas Ribeiro. Looking to go out to win at the Lucas Louis Stadium courtesy of 2 goals to Shalile as Timokossi teases Canadian here. Oh, something from the training ground for Mamelodi Sundowns and have found the head of there's they've already broken the season and see all that they can as Ribeiro Costa comes forward looking for
Nisha sometimes in down looking for something. Last season, I was good on the season. They are paying a man. They say you are going last season. Oh,
Really the case. Oh! Let's go, boys. Yes!
I understand.
Oh no!
Red card,
Yes, boys.
receives but is forced out wide.
Yeah. Find the fun. 2K. Last time we did him so
Oh, mom. What's up? Hey, boo.
Oh, my neck. Careful.
Don't go in, man.
I'm never shine, you know.
He rescued the situation. Usain Bolt is considered he was just supposed to whip it with his right. side. It's given again. His cross is a good look.
Hold my face.
Broken
We better up. Oh, pass. I go put people right there. Oh, this is for the point. Two put people. Stand back.
Challenge here to
Find your fight.
It's 2K.
Find your fight.
It's 2K. I guess what they do. Oh, my shot. Oh, my.
targets from difficulty launch. He hadn't really scored for Sundowns, but got his first in the lead off the bench against TSK. After the interval, cross initially and not properly clear, not too far. Once more, to the right area. Who was it? Ribeiro. There's a cut to the inside. Series off and Yusuf Mart should have been checked the youngster alongside. He seems to be the run was absolutely exquisite. Sundowns are cruising now. Fortunate for Huma to go to. Oh, that's a it's just
It's okay!
initially from Modiba and straight into the where the ball is around that area. But that goes over the take it into the wall. Win records, they're all still available to them. As this one slipped through for Matthews, looking for his second. A double into it looks like Mars is still pretty much the right in this case. And which my worry was that it sits. Matthew seizing upon it. On the edge of Stellenbosch last season. Getting all 3 points.
Oh, what a goal. Yes! 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 Come on, boy!
Contenders.
I win the case, 5 case. I win the case.
Where woman, you're the fucking man.